Vultures, those majestic and mysterious birds of prey, are often associated with death and carrion. But these misunderstood scavengers play a crucial role in our ecosystem. First, what are vultures? Vultures belong to the family of birds known as Accipitridae, more specifically to the subfamily named Aegypiinae. They are highly specialized scavengers, feeding primarily on carcasses of dead animals. The unique feature of vultures is their keen sense of smell, which enables them to locate carcasses from miles away. With a keen eye, they can spot a carcass even when it is hidden under dense foliage or a layer of snow. Vultures' digestive system is another fascinating aspect. Their stomach acid is so strong that it can kill bacteria, making them nature's own sanitizers. This helps prevent the spread of deadly diseases like rabies and anthrax by reducing the number of carcasses in the wild. Vultures also have an important cultural significance. In many cultures, they are considered symbols of rebirth and renewal, as they transform carrion into nutrients that benefit other organisms in the ecosystem. The most common species of vulture is the turkey vulture. These large birds have a wingspan of up to 6.5 feet and can weigh up to 9 pounds. They are known for their black feathers, bald heads, and reddish faces. Vultures are crucial for maintaining a healthy and balanced ecosystem. By cleaning up carcasses, they prevent the spread of diseases and help control pest populations. However, due to habitat loss and poisoning from veterinary drugs, several species of vultures are facing extinction. In conclusion, vultures are fascinating creatures that play a vital role in our ecosystem. Their keen sense of smell, powerful digestive system, and cultural significance make them unique among birds. Let's work together to protect these remarkable scavengers and ensure their continued survival.